Don't worry, girl. I got you.
Me, man, milk, pancake mix, butter. Pancake mix. Butter. Wow! Asan si Tatay Lupin? Wow!
Oh my! Oh no!
No! Kids cannot touch the pan and the stove. Daddy, help us with the stove.
Don't worry, girl. I got you.
Yummy!
Pancakes are ready. One heart for you and one heart for you.
Great job!